Hello everybody, welcome again in my new video. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock any Android smartphone pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure your mobile is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video till end. Your smartphone will be unlocked today by this method. Okay, if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at by the new method and what I am going to give in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Watch this video properly till the end. Okay, further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. Okay, so before starting this method, you should full battery charge your smartphone at least 30 to 35%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your mobile phone. Okay, one of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your smartphone will not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos, and for this you must subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if your mobile will be unlocked with this help of this video, then do like the video. This gives us a lots of encouragement to make the next video to help you further. Okay my friends, first of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Okay, watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your loaded smartphone. Now you have to use offline mode. In this offline mode, first of all you have to click on emergency call option from here, and when your emergency call option come in your mobile screen, I am telling you a secret code to close all your background running applications. Okay, and you have to use that code too, and this code is a star hash 121212 a star 11 and hash. And now you have to call this code for 3 times. When you are starting the calling, a pop-up message of call failed is appeared in your mobile screen. You have to ignore this message to click OK button. You have to repeat the same process for 3 times. I have to repeat the same process for 2 times again, and this is completely done. Okay, after completing this process, you have to clear this mobile screen, and now the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode like that. Okay, meaning now the flight mode of your handset has to be activated. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have to complete a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important steps here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use that code to open engineer mode page also, and this code is star hash 899 and hash means star hash 899 and hash. You can take a screenshot here, and as you will be clicking on the last hash button here, the engineer mode page will be activated in your smartphone. The page of master unlocking will come in your smartphone like that. Now you have to take some important steps here. As you are looking at the number 5 options here, it is showing you the software version option. This is the software version option, and you have to click it, this software version option, and here you will now see the Android version option on number 2, and you can see that this Android version is 12. It has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning you have to click on Android version as many times as if you are showing Android version 10 here, 11 here, 12 here, 13 here, you have to click it for 10 times, 12 times, 11 times, 13 times here. As soon as this process of your will be you have to complete it. For example, this is the Android version 12, so I have to click it for 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, as soon as this process of yours will be completed, now you have to come back from this page After this, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test option, and you have to open this manual test option, and now now some new pages will come in your smartphone. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to otherwise by swiping it from the sidebar, and now you can see that this is other page options. Okay, and now also you will also see total 5 options here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version 7 times. This is the database version or mainboard version also. You have to click it for 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sorry, it has to be clicked for 12 times. Sorry. Okay, 11 and 12 also. Okay, now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2 option. This is read write important log test. You have to open it for the 4th time. Okay, first 3 times you have to open this and click on cancel button. You have to repeat the same process for 3 times, but in the 4th time you have to repeat the same process but click the OK button, and now you will see here your mobile password has gone to reset mode also. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will be unlocked today. Now you have to go back to the device debugging page from this page, and this is the device debugging page, and here you will seeing many options here, but you have to find a option which is named sensor self test and calibration. You have to open these options also, and now you will seeing many options here like 1 option, 2 option, 3 option, 4 option. Here all the options are in default operation, not a started mode. You have to start it automatically by touching it like that, and here you will get to see a message of a test pass message here. If your test pass message has come, then your work is done, but if you still don't see any test pass message here and your failure message is coming, so understand till now your test pass message will not come here. We'll keep doing this process again and again like that. This is a time taken process. You have to click it until your test pass message come here. Only single test pass message is required to unlock all your mobile password. You have to click it for many times. You have to repeat the same process until your test pass message come in your smartphone. Until your test pass message come, you cannot leave this option. You can see that I am trying to get test pass message, and you can see that, my friends, as you see here, test pass message comes in your mobile screen. By the way, you will click on the home button here, and you can see that your mobile is completely unlocked without any data loss, without any computer, and without any software. There is no any photos, videos, and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any Android smartphone. If your mobile is still not unlocked from this way, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any Android smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.